Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome to 5 Minute DIY, where we show you how to do DIY and craft projects in 5 minutes or less. I'm Marty, and summertime is slowly approaching. And you know what goes great with summertime? Tie-dye t-shirts, baby, that's right. So today I'm going to show you a quick and easy tie-dye technique so you can do your own t-shirts and things at home. But before we hop into it, let me give you a little bit of history on tie-dye. Tie-dye originated in 1882 by a general in the Mexican Revolution. He used his unique designs to send secret codes to warn his troops in nearby villages. Sometimes those enemies would be bears, the British, or even the famed Pablo Escobar. So when you see someone wearing a tie-dye t-shirt, remember, it's not just a cool design. Stand and clap, because that person is wearing a piece of history. Okay, so here's what you need. Aluminum pan, plastic bags, an aluminum baking sheet with holes in it, or you can use a wire rack for this, but I found this in a Dollar Tree. T-shirts, and a tie-dye kit. Now I got this for $14 on Amazon. Okay, inside the kit we have some gloves, rubber bands, a table cover, and of course, all your dyes and things like that. Alright, let's hop into it. Okay, the first technique we're going to do is called the bullseye technique. Now, with any shirt that you have already have a design on it, you want to take the shirt and you want to turn it inside out first. Okay, next you want to find the center of your shirt. Mine's is about right here, and then you want to pinch it and lift it up. Should have something that looks like this. Okay, next you want to grab your rubber bands. Okay, next you want to take your rubber bands and you want to tie them about an inch from where you made your pinch. And now you want to do that for the rest of your t-shirt. You should have something that looks like this. Next, you want to grab your gloves and put them on. Then you want to grab the dyes that you're going to use and you want to mix them together. With these, you just add a little water and shake them up. Once it's done, set it to the side. Okay, next you want to grab your pan and your covering and your t-shirt and set it up like so. If you can't tell, this top pan was used so we wouldn't get a lot of mess everywhere and it'll catch all the excess dye down the bottom. Alright, so once you grab all your stuff, now you want to take your dyes and you want to start dyeing your shirt. With the bullseye technique, you want to do every other color differently. So like this, I'm using black and teal, so this will be black, teal, black, teal, black, teal, black. Alright, let's get the dye. R.I.P. Next, you want to flip your shirt over and do the same thing on the back side. Okay, and once it's done to your liking, you want to take your plastic bag and you want to put your shirt in your bag and tie it up and let it set for about 8 hours. Okay, so it's been 24 hours. So your final step that you want to do is you want to take the t-shirts out of the bags, cut the rubber bands off, and then take them to the sink and rinse all the dye out of your t-shirts. Once you finish doing that, you can pop them in the dryer or hang them up to dry. Okay, now let's go check out the final product. Okay, so I know what you're thinking. Why was there 2 t-shirts in the last scene, but I only showed you one technique? And so here's the backstory. I originally had plans of showing you guys 2 techniques, but the second t-shirt didn't really turn out that great, like at all. So here on Jazz and Marty, we like to show our mistakes. So here's the super terrible t-shirt that I messed up. But the other t-shirt turned out really great. So without any further ado, here's the final product. Now, if you like this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And head over to the Jazz and Marty Facebook page where we always post updates on DIY and craft videos. And like that, this will be the end.